Hello YouTube. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to spoof in Pokemon Go with a joystick. It is very good on Android. It really doesn't matter the version as of right now. Mine is version 9.0. And first step is to go to the Play Store and install VMOS. It's like a virtual root Android. It's just like, it's kind of like a virtual desktop but for a phone, and it will take the virtual version back to an older version where you could just spoof easy and stuff, so it's very efficient. And yeah, this is going to be a pretty short video. It should be. So this spoofing method is pretty good, so I recommend you use this if you think that you can't spoof anymore. No, you can still spoof. Be sure to share this video if you find it good and you just want other people to know how to spoof. This is the video to come to. I'm your man. I'm going to show you guys all the new spoofing methods as of 2019. As of right now, this is the easiest version out there. So, I'm just going to wait for this to install now. So, by the way, once this is installed, go to the link in the description. There will be, download all the links. It'll be a link to the joystick that you're going to use, yes, File Explorer, and Pokemon Go APK, and, that's about it that I know of. Hold up, I'll go check. And also, there will be a link to the Lucky Patcher, which is the biggest part. So be sure to install all of those before going too much further. So once you open VMOS, swipe to the right all the way to the end. Now click Enter VMOS. New floating window, please allow privileges. Click On. And you're going to have to allow the permissions. And I hope that recorded it, and then access request for better, click to authorize. Allow all three of them, and just wait for this to load up. I'm just gonna cut because this will be way too long. It's quite a while when you first open it, so hopefully we're on the same page. Once it installs the ROM, it will just start opening the virtual desktop that you've now created. And then we can use that to spoof in Pokemon Go 2019 in October. So, yeah. Now, you should have hopefully installed all the apps from the link in the description already. If you haven't already, this is a good time to do that. So, I'll get back to you guys when this is done. Okay, wait, very important announcement. If you have Pokemon Go installed already, make sure you have access to your account again before uninstalling it, but you will have to uninstall Pokemon Go. And then once you uninstall Pokemon Go, you are going to have to download the APK in the description, otherwise it may not work for some phones, so you should probably use the link in the description to download the APK version of Pokemon Go, the latest version, which should be on their website on APK Mirror, so I will link that too, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm on the desktop. Okay guys, so I just got into VMOS. So now, what you're going to do is click on this files icon. It's right here, this one. Click on that, and then it'll load you into this screen. So now you're going to check mark all of the ones that I do. So you're going to check mark the Pokemon Go, the Time Pass app, which is what you should have downloaded from the link in the description, and then click on APK, and then you should get the ES Files Explorer, and actually you want to have checkmarked the Niantic.com one, probably, but, you should have the Lucky Patcher in the apps too, and then you can click Import. And now all of these will download. It'll take a while, but if you guys have any errors with the Pokemon Go, that means you clicked the wrong Pokemon Go probably. Because sometimes it'll error out, so... Or, like, it'll make you install it yourself. Like, it'll make... Yeah, like, you know what I mean, but... Like, you'll have to install it and it won't work. It should automatically say installed if it worked correctly. So I'll get back to you when these downloads are done. They take like 5-10 minutes usually, sometimes a little less. And yeah, wait, before you go, Lucky Patcher, it's going to bypass the security protections. Don't worry about that. It's safe. The Lucky Patcher is what you can use to make it a system app. That's why it's warning you, because it can get into the files of the game. Your phone, and you can inject it and do the Time Pass APK into a system app. And that way, you can spoof without getting any errors. And so, yeah, all of them should be installed in a second. So, then I'll show you what to do when that's installed. So now you can click home, and you will have all the 4 apps. Now, you're going to click on the settings bar, and then, hold up, I'll be back. Okay guys, so once you entered into the settings, you're going to scroll down, and you should find apps, or, first of all, wait, you're going to need to unlock the certain settings. So, you're going to click on About Phone, and click Build Number, just spam it, and then you'll get developer options unlocked. And then you can open up the developer options, and then turn on USB debugging, click OK, and click Root. And then that's all you should need for right now. Then go back. And now the next thing we are going to do is, first of all, log into your main Pokemon Go account. Just open Pokemon Go. I'll get to you when I... Okay, guys, so here's the part where you just put in all your information and log into your account on the version on your virtual desktop. Sorry, one quick step before you do that. Close the, virtual desktop using this thing right here that I'm dragging around. And, click off. Because, I forgot about something. Now you have to open regular Pokemon Go. Yeah, pretty simple. Just open Pokemon Go. And let it load in to your account. And just wait for it. It should be in any moment. But don't click OK on the next screen. Once it logs in, just let it do its thing. And then swipe out. And then open the VMOS again, which you should have installed already, which I do. And then it should take a little bit less time since it's the second time, and it'll go away faster. So once it loads in, you are going to actually sign into your Pokemon Go account now, and if there's any problems, I'll just ask me in the comment section. It should work. And then just sign into your account on the virtual desktop. Sorry, that was a little bit hard to follow. Okay, guys, so once you got signed into your account, it should say GPS signal not found, and do not hit OK on that. Just swipe out. And then the next step is going to be probably the most important step. You're going to enter Lucky Patcher. Follow this with me. Click Remember Choice Forever, which is in the bottom, and click Allow. And then you are going to click No on all of the things that pop up for now. And it'll say updates and stuff, and you want to click No on all of them. And then you're going to find the Time Pass app, which we installed earlier. And then you're going to click Tools. Click on the Tools bar. And then click Move to System/App. It'll say, do you really want to make a system app? Click yes. And then it'll say superstar granted to whatever it says. But then click no on the reboot. And then now you're going to swipe out of Lucky Patcher. And then reload VMOS. Like I just did. And the next step is probably the easiest step of them all. I don't think I did anything wrong yet, so yeah, this won't be up if I did anything wrong, so you should be safe. After it says Android is starting, you should see the TimePass app and go to ES File Explorer. And now this is probably the second biggest part of this tutorial. Click on the 3 bars in the top left. After clicking X on everything else, it's right next to the home, just to the left of it. Click on that. Scroll down until you see Root Explorer right here, and allow that. And then it should just take a bit, and then it'll load. And now the next part is you're going to click Internal Storage. And then the next part is you're going to click the first slash bar that you'll see right next to the storage. Click right there. You're going to click that, and then click System and delete the X bin. It is pointless because this is the virtual one, so you should be fine. Click OK, and then deleted file successfully. Now reload again. And yeah, I should give you the ES Note editor. It doesn't really matter, but it'll just be there. And okay, so the next step is so that Niantic can't detect anything going wrong, like any apps like Lucky Patcher. We are going to delete the Lucky Patcher. To do this, go into the files again. That's down here. Or don't go to the files. Sorry, go to the settings right here. And go to System Settings. If you don't have that, it's fine. And then go to the Apps bar. And then find Lucky Patcher. And click on that and click Uninstall. And click OK. And then uninstall finished. Then you will know that you got it correctly from now on, and then now you're going to reload Lucky Patcher again, but before you reload it this time, enter Pokemon Go on your normal desktop, because you're going to have to do this step every single time before you spoof, so get used to it. But the spoofing is really efficient, so I think it's worth it. So do not click OK, like I said again, and you're just going to let it load in. And you're going to have to do this every single time before you go into the virtual desktop version. And then after you reload VMOS again, you are going to open up the TimePass app, which is the app we are going to be using to spoof. And so far, hope you guys enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe. But this is the biggest part. You can spoof to wherever you want. Go to the TimePass app, and I'm just going to search Santa Monica Pier. It'll give you a random location at first. Or, no, I'm not going to go to the pier. But, okay, this is the big part. You're going to click this map thing. It's right here. And then it will take you to a map. And then search. And I'm going to go to Pier 39, but you can go wherever you want. I'm going to go to Pier 39. And then I'm going to click on the top one. And I'm going to click Select. And then you're going to click Start. And it'll say Starting Joystick. And now it says, would you like to personalize your experience? Click I accept. Wait, hold up. Hold up. Click I accept. And then now you're going to go into the settings one last time and disable root. Well, I don't know if it's mandatory. Oh, this is the wrong settings. I don't think it's mandatory to disable the root, but I think it's best to disable the root just to be safe. And go into the settings, go to developer options from the settings, and then disable the root. And then now you are going to have to restart VMOS for the last time, actually. Sorry, and now you're going to have to restart Pokemon Go again since you're restarting VMOS. I'm sorry about that. But, I just wanted to show you guys how to spoof. I don't know if you didn't really have to do that the first time, but just, it's fine. It'll work still. And then reload Pokemon Go for the last time. Your regular Pokemon Go. And now swipe out. And then reload VMOS for the last time. You should have to. Well, unless right now, this is the last time you should have to reload VMOS. Each time you're going to have to open the regular Pokemon Go before you spoof wherever you want to. And also, I'm going to explain some of the things that you can use with the app, the Time Pass app. And yeah. So now you can go back into the Time Pass app and select your location. If you already selected the map, it sometimes should take you to the map. And then I'm going to go to Pier 39 and click Start. And it will start your joystick. And then you can just load into Pokemon Go as you would normally do it. Except for this time, you're going to click Hide on the joystick. This is just so that Pokemon Go can't take a screenshot of you cheating, of course. So that's the main reason you have to hit Hide. And then you can click Show after that, and then you can swipe out of the thing at the top. And now, as you can see, as soon as it loads in, you will be at wherever you spoof to, which for me is Pier 39. And I guess I gained some rewards for being here, but as you can see, I can spin the Pokestop. That's why you don't click OK. You can do anything you can normally do, and then you can select the speed of your moving. Like this, you can go on run if you want to go faster. And yeah, you can favorite a location by clicking the heart button. Like this, click add to favorites, and you can name it. I'm going to name mine Pier 39. And click save, and it will say a blank thing. You can just click OK, then it's saved. And now, here's the best part about the Time Pass app that I know of at the moment is using routes. You can use routes to hatch your eggs and basically do anything. So you're going to click generate route, and then marker count. If you want to create a custom one, set it to 1 and click generate. And now you can click all the points you want it to move to at each point. Like down there, it can move all the way up here, and you can just generate your own route and be as specific as you want on all the locations you want to go to. I'm just going to make a basic route, and you can click in the route option, so instead of stop at end, you can loop to start, so that it'll keep on doing that route. And then you can save your route, and I'm going to name mine Pier 39 route. As you can see, you will have it saved then for whenever you want to use it. And then you can just load the route. Click start route now, and as you can see, it's taking me on the route. And I recommend putting this to walking speed for routes. And as you can see, this is a really good spoofing app. I don't even know what that's the joystick, and you can't teleport to a location until you've stopped the route, though, so just so that you know. Or your joystick won't work at the moment. And then you could change this if you want to lock it onto a certain location without having to hold it like this. It'll just stay, and then unlock it if you just want to be able to do it normally. And just to show you that you can, in fact, catch Pokemon, I'm going to catch this Ghastly. hopefully. It shouldn't run for me, and I should be able to catch it. As you can see, you can catch Pokemon, 100% safe. I have not heard of anyone getting soft banned from this or anything like that, so you should be fine. With that, you can spoof to all the rare spawns. Just don't spoof too far away at a time. You have to wait like 2 hours if you cross the world, so yeah, if you're new to spoofing. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys can learn from it, and hope you guys learned how to spoof. And I hope I helped you. Bye, guys. Peace out.